In this lecture, we will dive into two distinct yet fascinating contexts that will highlight how resilience has been integral to well-being and survival of communities. The city-state of Florence during the Renaissance and the Maori people, the indigenous Polynesian population of New Zealand. Let's embark on this journey, beginning in the heart of Italy, in the vibrant city of Florence during the Renaissance. This period was marked by intense transformation, with the emergence of humanism and the flourishing of arts, even amid tumultuous political shifts. So how did Florence cultivate resilience to thrive during this pivotal era? First, we delve into the world of the Florentine guilds. These organizations weren't merely platforms for merchants and artisans to showcase their craft. Instead, they embodied a sense of unity, a social fabric that contributed both to economic and social resilience. Guilds financed projects, ensuring the city remained a flourishing hub for arts and culture. Even in a period of economic downturn, they operated much like modern trade unions, protecting the rights of their members and ensuring quality of work. Guilds set standards for their respective trades, provided training for apprentices, and controlled trade within their jurisdictions, creating a framework for economic stability and growth. One specific example is the Arte de Lana in Florence, which represented the woolen cloth industry. This guild was responsible for every stage of cloth production, ensuring quality while also looking after its members' interests. Their influence extended to financing public works, including the construction of the Cathedral of Florence, thus significantly contributing to the society. Secondly, the impact of humanism on Florentine society cannot be understated. Humanist scholars placed emphasis on the potential of the individual, promoting education, intellectual freedom, and civic engagement. This nurturing of the collective intellect empowered Florentines to navigate change, becoming agile thinkers and engaged citizens, ultimately contributing to a resilient community. As we transition to the 21st century, we find ourselves in New Zealand amongst the Maori people. Their indigenous knowledge and culture have fostered a resilient community, capable of adapting to modern challenges while preserving their identity and traditions. Firstly, let's consider the Maori concept of Wanagantanga, which encapsulates the importance of kinship and community ties in Maori society. Please pardon my pronunciation of the term. This concept fosters cooperation, mutual assistance, and a sense of belonging, all of which are critical for communal resilience. When faced with challenges, whether socioeconomic or environmental, the Maori draw upon the strong relationship bonds to collectively respond and adapt. Second, we turn to the Maori practice of kaitiakitanga, or guardianship, particularly in relationship to the environment. The Maori have maintained a profound connection with their environment, cultivating practices that promote sustainability and environmental stewardship. This connection has facilitated resilience in the face of environmental changes and adversities, with the Maori harnessing traditional knowledge to innovate and adapt their practices as needed. Through the lens of the Renaissance in Florence and the Maori, we witness the powerful manifestation of resilience in the heart of communities. The Florentines harnessed the unity of guilds and the empowering principles of humanism, while the Maori relied on robust communal relationships and their deep connection with the environment. These examples provide us with invaluable lessons on how we too can cultivate resilience within our communities. Resilience is not a fixed trait, but a dynamic process, a fabric woven from threads of mutual support, shared wisdom, adaptability, and a shared sense of purpose. By acknowledging and nurturing these elements, we empower our communities to withstand adversities and pave the way for sustainable growth and well-being.